So now we're gonna move on and unbox my mini brand. So first we're gonna do the toy mini brand. Takes me a hot minute to like unwrap it. So just give me time here. Okay, you would think they'd make these like kind of easier to unwrap, but whatever. I love these things. Again, I'm obsessed with Squishmallows. These. Okay, are we ready, guys? Let's see. First, pop this off. Ooh. Okay, here we go. We're just gonna take it apart so it's easier to open them, you know what I mean? So, let's see. Our first one here. Let's see. What's it gonna be? Ooh, it is what is this? Game Time. This Frisbee game. It's this one. So that's cool. We got that. Okay, next up we have. Oh, we have the little Rugrats doll. That's cool. Got that one. Okay, this one. Let's see what this one is. Oh, what is it? Oh. Oh. We got the Robo Alive dinosaur. And then just like the little list. Next up, what is this? Oh, we have a surfboard. Interesting. And then the last of the toy line. Okay. Oh, it's just the drop the piece. Just the shopping cart. So yeah. I guess that's cool. But I dropped a piece. Now we're gonna do the other mini brand one. Here we go, now this one. Hopefully, I'm always scared to do these just because like I don't want to get repeats of what I have. Because I'm trying to like finish the collection because I have so much like mini brand stuff. I'm gonna do a whole video on my mini brand stuff just because I think it's fun. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. This part takes me forever to do, like getting this part off. How do kids open these? Because I can barely. It takes me forever. Okay. Here we go. Okay, once again, we're just gonna break them apart so it's easier to open. Okay, here we go. Damn, they really don't want you to open these, I swear. Package so tight. You're okay, baby. Sorry, my cat's meowing at me. Okay, first one, let's go. What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh. Okay. We got the Hershey syrup and like the paper. I don't think I have this yet, so let's go. Okay. Next up. My cat is really trying to climb over here. Next up we have Teddy Grahams. I think I have that one, but oh well. Next up, we have the shopping cart again. I'm not gonna unbox it. Oh, this is my cat, everybody. Say hi, Magic. Okay, well, one moment. She went on my lap and jumped right off. Next one, we have. Oh yeah. Oh, I can't see. What is it? It's the deli oven roasted turkey breast. I don't have this one yet. So we got this one. And then lastly, make it a good one. Hopefully it's good. Let's see. And it's the Kool-Aid Jammers. Oh yeah, that's good. So with the food, or with this one, I got the Kool-Aid Jammers, turkey, Hershey syrup, Teddy Grahams, shopping cart, again, I have like 10 of them, and then for the toys, shopping cart, and then the T-Rex, or whatever this is, Rugrat, the disc game, and the surfboard. So this completes this video. I'm sorry if it's a long one, but thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more. I have tons more videos planned coming. So happy 4th of July. See ya.